Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine two cell into one in your Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Excel, and suppose I want to combine these two cell into this cell. So select the cell first and type equal to, and after that type concatenate. This is the function, just click it and then click the first cell here and type comma, then quotation, then space, then quotation again, and then comma again, and then select the second cell and close the bracket and enter. As you can see, my those two cells are combined. You can do this same process into another cell. I'm going to show you another combination here, and follow the same process. Equal, type concatenate, select the function, select the first cell, then type comma, then quotation, space, quotation, then comma, then select the second cell, close the bracket and enter. As you can see, the two cell is combined. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next one.